Hey, I'm Jeff, and normally I go on some crazy adventures solo here in Colorado and all over, but this weekend, I'm not flying solo. That's right, Skylar's coming out this weekend. He's getting here Saturday. Today is Wednesday.
So, that was 5 months ago. A lot has changed since then, and I'm cleaning out my hard drive. If you don't know me, my name is Jeff. I mean, you just heard that, but...
We're taking the van to Winter Park and then Copper, and we're gonna be camping and living out of the van for the weekend, so yeah, I'm pretty excited.
I filmed this project in March, and then my buddy Skylar got there. I ended up getting the seat swivel installed, and then he got there, and I was like, you know what? I've been filming for the past 3 days. I just want to hang out with my friend, and didn't film anything else.
I had this whole plan. I saw this on Facebook, and it convinced me that I could buy the cheap seat swivel for my van and weld it into place. And not only does that now seem a little dangerous, but I don't have the time for that. So I bought the expensive seat swivel, and it's getting here tomorrow. Yeah, we're not gonna have a whole lot of time to do that and pack and wax the snowboards.
What ends up happening a lot of times is I just don't film something, or I film a little bit and it's not enough to make an actual video. So we're gonna combine a bunch of stuff to make a story. We're gonna tell a story, that's the plan. So we're riding in the rain because life is not perfect, and neither will my videos be perfect.
Anyway, I've got a lot to do. I will check in with you tomorrow. 3 days. That's what we got, 3 days. I'm excited.
So yeah, right now I'm on my 2004 Suzuki V-Strom DL650. This thing is a blast. I've had it for about a month, and I've been loving it. It's so much fun to ride. It's super stable. Oh, hang on. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
It's Thursday, and I just got home from work, and we have a lot to do. I'm starting to get a little nervous. We're not going to get everything done, but big thanks to Iron Cloud Ironworks for sending me the seat swivel that I paid full price for. But we're going to install that. This thing looks awesome. These are the rivets I'm going to have to get out, and I'll just use the angle grinder, just... All right, let's get it. Whack. Wow, that was crazy. I got the rivets out, and I accidentally bent one of the seat tracks while I was prying out the rivets, so I had to heat it up and rebend it. So I was a lot more careful on the second one, and we completely disassembled the seat tracks, re-greased the rollers, and reassembled it. So I think it's time to move on to the next step, but that was crazy. Not for the faint of heart. All right. So we need to drill new holes for the springs, and I'm getting an opportunity to use a new tool of mine, my drill press. Oh yeah. Listen to that guy hum. Right now I'm installing the other seat track. I've got the bolts lined up. It's coming together. Sweet. Oh, that seems pretty good. Oh my god, this is so cool. Seat swivel installed. Today is the last day to get ready for the trip, but this is awesome. And like, I have a list, but it just like keeps getting longer. And then I just look at it and I get sucked in like, oh, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Okay, we got this. I'm gonna take a break, eat some food, because I'm a little frazzled. All right, I think I have everything packed. I think I'm just gonna relax the rest of the day, but I gotta pick up Skylar bright and early tomorrow. And then it's just pure adventure for like 72 hours is what's happening. So I'm pretty stoked. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, you ready? Oh, there we go.
Did you make a swivel chair?
Yep.
That's so sick. What?
Yeah, dude. So I've been working on this for a while. I got the metal like laser cut and welded it up.
Where did you get it laser cut?
I like sent it off like the designs offline and or online and I got it like cut up.
Yeah.
But then it also locks here and here.
That is so sick.
Try it out.
So awesome.
Isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's so nice.
Scott, I didn't build this.
No. I was really impressed.
I got you though.
I was like, wow, you designed this thing?
No, dude.
What are you talking about? This thing is intricate. Well, you got me there. It was a cool addition to the van.
So I bought like a universal swivel that I was gonna have to weld in. And I took one look at it and I was like, I'm not doing this shit. I
Yeah,
bought
that's so
this
much
thing
work.
right away. What
Yeah.
I built would not have been roadworthy.
Yeah, I was kind of questioning
I know.
for the rest of the trip.
So this thing's like actually solid.
Yeah, nice.
Breakfast time?
Breakfast time.
All right, we're at Denver Biscuit Co. Breakfast.